All right, I'm going to show you this gospel bounce. There's a few of them, and it's going to be in 5 different keys: key of C, key of F, key of B flat, E flat, and the key of A flat. Let's get into it. So this gospel bounce, there's quite a few of them, right? It's just a feel. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you the key of C first, right? So the key of C, it's going to be 1 5, 1 6, and 1 flat 7. So when I say 1, I mean the root 5, root 6, root flat 7. So the way we would do it is, this is your basic. So again, in the right hand, we would do so you said B flat, and then you sure F over the C and A, and then the C. That would be the first one, all right? So we'd have the trill from E flat, D, C. All right. And then we could do that too. E flat, E, G, A, C. Now in the key of F major, okay, we're going to do the same thing. We can play it down here or up here if you want to. Oh yeah, there's something else that I did do, and I'll show you that in the key of F, but you can transpose that to the other keys. So you can do F C, F D, F E flat, F D, F C, right? So flat 7 over, well, F all over F. That's E flat major, B flat over D, F D, and then so. So I did this F D over the A, well, the D diminished over F, F diminished, right, to F7. Again, something like that, right? So the diminished, and then we have the 7th. So before I go on to the next 3 chords, I have a quick message for you. Want to learn how to play black gospel keyboard but don't know where to start? I've got you covered. I'm offering a free training called The Secrets of Black Gospel Keyboard. You'll learn the foundations of gospel chords, progressions, and riffs so you can start playing with confidence. Click the link in the description to sign up for free and start your journey today. Why wait? Your gospel keyboard journey starts now. All right, now we're back. I'm going to show you this in the keys of B flat, E flat, and A flat. So let's look at B flat now. B flat major is going to just be same things before. All right. All right. Yeah. So we go to the 4. Okay. So the lick would be, so D flat, C, trill that. 1 finger. Don't try to do it. You could do it with 2 fingers, but it's easy for me just to do it with 1. So because it's so quick, it's a grace note. And you can do this again. Where am I? Wrong chord. So it'll be this. All right. Yeah, so you can do this. You can go up to here, but you probably should just go to the 1. Because the finger is slightly different from F. It's very different from F. So the B flat diminished, and then you have your B flat 7. So that will be B flat. The key of E flat. Same thing. 1 5, 1 6, 1 flat 7, and then A flat. So G flat, F. All right. So yeah, that would be it. E flat, G, B flat, C, E flat. Okay. And then the same thing with A flat, 1 5, 1 6, flat 7. Am I? Sorry, here. Yeah. So 1 flat 7 here to E flat. Okay. And then we do this. Yeah. And then flat 7. Same thing, B flat, C, E flat, F, A flat. And they all work the same thing. There's different things you can do. I'll do it with this key here. You could do what am I? All right, the same thing. Or you can just keep it here. You can go diminished. It's basically the same chord because you're going between this tritone here and this tritone here. All right. So I'll play it higher though. Yeah. Practice it slowly though. Having a transition between keys, my brain is starting to freeze up, but that's basically what you're gonna have. Those 5 keys, it's the same thing. 1 5, 1 6, 1 flat 7, back to 1 6, 1 5, and you do it twice. You get your syncopation between your left and your right hand, between that, like in the key of C, between the 5 and the 6, and then the flat 7 chord, 4 chord, and back to the 1 chord, and you can trill it. Just pay attention to the different fingering for those licks because they're not all the same in every key. There's a slight changes where your fingers have to change position a bit, but just practice the basics and you'll have it. And don't forget to check out the link in the description. If this video has been helpful for you, please drop a like and consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to hit the bell notification so you know when I drop new stuff and you know when I'm on. God bless you, and I will see you in the next video.